Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sophie Weinman, and today I have a super exciting video because I'm going to be announcing my first ever giveaway. Woo! I was lucky enough to team up with the company Travalo, which are the creators of the Perfume pod. If you guys aren't familiar with this product, it's an absolute lifesaver. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use these and why I love them. Plus, if you stay tuned till the end of the video, I'm going to be explaining how you can enter into my giveaway and get one of these babies for free. Yes, I said it. For free? For free. I'm so hyped! Aren't you excited? I'm super hyped. Woo! Can you tell? Woo! So I'm the type of person that loves to smell people from across the room. I don't care if that's obnoxious. I just love being able to smell people. I'm an absolute junkie for perfumes, sprays, fragrances. I'm just all about the scent. Like, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And to me, smell is such a strong scent. So I'm always the person that's reapplying. It's really just a nice way to like rejuvenate yourself, you know what I mean? Just to give that like fresh feel. But it's not so easy to carry around large fragrance bottles. So it can be a real hassle to have to throw that into my purse, not knowing if it's gonna break, if it's gonna be too heavy. And that is why I absolutely love my perfume pods. I bring them with me everywhere. It's small, it's convenient, it's discreet. I'm not like out here with my big perfume bottle and everybody's like, what is she doing? What is she doing? So basically this product allows you to create your own mini perfume bottle, and it's plastic, so it's not gonna break, and it gives you 65 sprays, which is a lot, and it's reusable, so you can use it over and over and over and over and over again. If that's not worth your money, then I don't know what is. This is the perfect gift for your mom, your sister, and hey, your dad, your brother, your husband. This is for guys too, and it can be easily used with cologne. So I did receive the pink and the purple, but this does come in a variety of colors, so don't worry if that's not your style. I believe it also comes in gold, silver, really classic colors that can work with a lot of different people. And it's not a very expensive product, but I will be giving you guys a discount code on top of that, because who doesn't like to save a little money? Ooh, look at that highlight, honey. Hunty. Hunty. I'm gonna be giving away the perfume pod to 20 of my lucky subscribers. Woo! It's about time I give back to you guys. I really appreciate your support. Honestly, it's what gets me going, motivated, creating. I love it. I love you guys. This is just a small gesture for me to be able to finally give back to you guys. So thank you so much for supporting me in my journey on YouTube. So without further ado, if you guys want to see exactly how these work, just keep on watching. And let's get it. So I'm going to be taking my purple perfume pod, as well as my all-time favorite Versace Bright Crystal perfume. And so what I'm going to do is take off the top like that. You're going to find this little thing. Next, I'm gonna take my Coral by Michael Kors. This one, my best friend got for me for Hanukkah this year, and it smells absolutely delicious. I'm gonna be adding that to what we already have in the perfume pod. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and do the same thing. Take that off, apply the pod, and start pumping. And there you have it. Now I have my own customized perfume. Now there's nothing stopping me from smelling yummy. Ooh, wherever I go. I can't spray it again because I'll like literally drench myself, but I need to do it. Delicious. Delicious. If you guys are interested in purchasing your own perfume pod, you can go ahead and visit the website us.travalo.com, which I will also be linking in the description box below. And finally, in order to be considered in my giveaway, you must first subscribe to my channel, and second, you can head on over to the Travalo Facebook and be sure to like and share their page. And once you guys complete those 3 steps, you'll be one step closer to winning my giveaway. I wish you guys the best of luck, and don't forget to check out my social medias as well. I usually post behind the scenes from each makeup look I create on this channel, so you won't want to miss out on that. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Happy holidays, doo-doo-doo. Happy holidays, doo-doo-doo. Look who's festive today. Happy holidays. Ooh, why so angry?